Replace your paycheck with profit share. Acquire proven businesses without personal debt or capital. I know that sounds impossible, but here's how Winthrop Capital Group is making it happen. You become a managing partner. Acquire 70% ownership of an existing cash-flowing business. And you do it without taking on personal debt for the acquisition itself. Your only upfront commitment is a $5,700 retainer, which can be financed interest-free for up to 12 months. The business you acquire covers its own purchase price through strategic deal structuring. Here's the model. You bring strong credit and management experience. We help you identify businesses using seller financing and strategic equity as leverage. You get 70% ownership, Winthrop keeps 30%, and all these acquisitions roll up into a public-ready portfolio. Think of it like this hospital turnaround story. A bankrupt hospital was sold cheap. One entrepreneur rallied local doctors, sold shares, and increased occupancy through participation. Low risk, high reward through shared ownership. That's your opportunity here. You're not buying a dream or starting from scratch. You're stepping into proven businesses with real revenue, real assets, and a clear path to liquidity through our public roll-up strategy. This replaces traditional employment with actual ownership.